Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can change the Google Chrome language back to English. Okay, so for that, let's open our Google Chrome browser. And please make sure that you finish watching this video till the end. So since you cannot read any of the options here, so we will just use the icons that you will see in the Google Chrome browser. So here in the very top right corner, you will see here the three dots icon. So if you see that, please click on that. This is customize and control Google Chrome. And once you do that, you will see here the options. And please see at the bottom part, you will see this icon that is actually the settings. So please click on that. We will go to settings. And the moment you do that, we will be arriving in this tab or window. So in the left pane, you will see the options here. Since you cannot read them, please make sure that you see this icon. So this is right before this icon, which is downloads. This is language, and on top of it you will see this icon. So please go and look for this icon, and once you found it, please click on that. That is actually the languages option, and in here you will see the preferred languages, and you will see a blue button here, or a blue blue written word button. So please click on that, and please select for the language that you want, the language that you can understand. For example, English. What type of English? What type of language? It's either from India, Canada, for example. So the moment that you already decided for the language, you can click on that and then just click on add, and you will see that the added language is now at the bottom part. So once you see the language, you will now click on this three dot icon, and then the moment you do that, you will see a box there. So please click on that box, and the moment you do that, you will be able to display the Chrome in this certain language that you have chosen. So please click on that, and then you will see this blue icon here, or blue button. So please click on that, and then the moment you do that, it will automatically relaunch your Google Chrome browser using that language. Okay, so the moment you do that, you have now fixed your problem. And if you want some more videos like this, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.